Chapter 8 Area. Take your books and put them on the table. They cover some portion of table called area. Our state covers some specific area on the earth. Our house has covered some area for its building. So, from the above observation, we note that area is an important concept which finds use in all walks of life. Now, look at the figures 1 and 2 below and find which one is smaller. Figure 2 occupies more of the plane surface than figure 1. The amount of surface occupied by a closed plane figure is called its area. We can say that the area of figure 1 is smaller than the area of figure 2. Region. Look at the square in the adjacent figure. It shows two regions in the plane, namely interior region and exterior region. Unshaded part of the plane in the figure is called interior region and the shaded part is called the exterior region. Clearly, interior region is a square region in this figure. We take a square region as a unit region. The area of a square region with side 1 cm is called a square centimeter and is written in short as 1 cm square. Similarly, the area of a square region with side 1 meter is called a square meter and is written in short as 1 meter square. It means that the area of a region is the number of unit regions contained in it. Finding area by counting squares. Given below are some regions. The measures or the areas of these regions in terms of unit region, a square, are indicated. 9 squares, figure 1. 12 squares, figure 2. Area of one unit region is 1 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the figure 1 is equal to 9 unit regions is equal to 9 square centimeters is equal to 9 square centimeters. Area of the figure 2 is equal to 12 unit regions is equal to 12 square centimeters is equal to 12 square centimeters. In cases where some of the unit squares are partially enclosed, we use approximate areas. A. In figure 1, 4 unit squares are there. B. In figure 2, we observe that A is more than half the square. We consider its area equal to 1 unit approximately. B is less than half square. We neglect its area. C. In figure 3, we observe that A is exactly half the square and B is also exactly half the square. We treat A is equal to 1/2 of unit square. B is equal to 1/2 of unit square. D. Using steps A, B and C, we can find the area of the shaded portion in figure 4. Area occupied by region A is equal to half unit square. Area occupied by region B is equal to 1 unit square. Area occupied by region C is equal to 1 unit square. Area occupied by region D is equal to half unit square. Area occupied by region E is equal to 1 unit square. Area occupied by region F is equal to 1 unit square. Area occupied by region G is equal to 1 unit square. Area occupied by region H is equal to 1 unit square. Area occupied by region I is equal to half unit square. Total area of the shaded portion is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7.5 unit squares. Example: find the area of the following shaded region. Solution: mark complete squares and greater than half squares, if any, of the shaded portion as x. Mark half squares of the shaded portion as under root. Neglect less than half squares. Now, find the area in the following way. Area occupied by complete squares is equal to total number of x units is equal to 4. Area occupied by half squares is equal to total number of under root units is equal to 6 is equal to 3 square units. Total area of the shaded portion is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 square units. Area of a rectangle. Let's find the area of rectangles by drawing squares of unit length. Look at the examples below. Example 1. PQRS is a rectangle whose length is 5 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Find its area. Solution: draw unit squares of side 1 cm each in the given rectangle and count them. How many unit squares are there? 15. Thus, area of the rectangle is equal to 15 unit squares is equal to 15 square centimeters. Also, if we multiply its length and breadth, we will get the same result. Here, length is equal to 5 centimeters and breadth is equal to 3 centimeters. Thus, length into breadth is equal to L into B is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15 square centimeters. From the above example, we conclude that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. Note: while finding the area of a rectangle by using the formula given above, it is necessary that both the length and the breadth should be in the same units. For example, if length and breadth are given in centimeters, we get the area in square centimeters, and if length and breadth are given in meters, we get the area in square meters. Example 2. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 7 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. Solution: length of the rectangle is equal to 7 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 3 centimeters. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth square centimeter is equal to 7 into 3 square centimeters is equal to 21 square centimeters or 21 square centimeters. Area of a square. We know that a square is a rectangle whose length and breadth are equal. So, Instead of talking about the length and breadth of a square, we simply talk about the side of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, square units. Example, find the area of a square whose side is 40 centimeters. Solution, side of the square is equal to 40 centimeters. Area of the square is equal to side into side square units is equal to 40 into 40 square centimeters is equal to 1600 square centimeters or 1600 square centimeters. Finding areas of irregular figures. We find the area of an irregular figure by dividing it into rectangles or squares. We explain it with the help of following example. Example, find the area of the region shown in figure. Solution, the given region can be easily divided into two rectangles, A and B as shown in figure. Length of the rectangle A is equal to 3 cm plus 1 cm is equal to 4 cm. Breadth of the rectangle A is equal to 1 cm. So, area of a rectangle A is equal to 4 into 1 square centimeters is equal to 4 square centimeters. Similarly, area of rectangle B is equal to 3 into 1 square centimeters is equal to 3 square centimeters. Thus, area of the given region is equal to area of rectangle A plus area of rectangle B is equal to 4 plus 3 square centimeters is equal to 7 square centimeters. Do these. 1. Complete the table. Problem solving. Two. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Three. Find the area of the following figures. Problem solving.